Okay. It's the same day as the last video. Just wanted to do an update. I took the oil pan off and retorqued the bearing caps, and from what I could tell, Harbor Freight torque wrench garbage. The motor is turning now, turning freely. Just have to see if it turns over. Oh my God, it turns over. Let's turn it on. Okay, got everything put back together. We're gonna turn this thing on and pray. Okay, let's keep our ears open because we might hear some knocking tonight. I was gonna say today, but then it came out as tonight, so it's tonight. Okay. Whew. Everything's plugged back in. Distributor's plugged in. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is this really happening? Nope, it's not. It's all a dream. Stay on. Well, this went from a very depressing video to something much better. I'm happy. I hope everybody who's watching is happy too. I have succeeded, and we have concluded. The $18 torque wrenches at Harbor Freight do not work, okay? Now, this is just amazing. Do I still trust it? No. But it's running.